Hey guys, it's Christa with CC Real Estate Company, and today I'm going to tour the Avian Meadows Master Plan Community in Chandler, Arizona, in the 85249 zip code. Now, this community is located off of Lindsay Road and just south of Ocotillo Road. This neighborhood is unique because it was built by two builders using completely different styles. So follow me as I drive through the neighborhood and point out highlights. Okay, here is the main entrance of Avian Meadows. This is right off of Lindsay Road. So this community was built by two different builders. One is Ashton Woods and the other is Toll Brothers. Ashton Woods started this community in 2015, and then Toll Brothers came along and bought the second part and started that in 16, 17, 18. Now the first part is the Toll Brothers. They offer single-story and two-story homes. Right now, the Ashton Woods sales price averaged between $700 and $850. I've seen as high. It's 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and square footage range between 2,300 and 4,000 square feet. They do have these nice little dead-end cul-de-sac streets. Drive into one because they're nice little roundabouts. They're pretty. This community has a huge green space right in the center of it. The basketball court, barbecue, and a huge lawn. We're still on the Ashton Woods side because you can notice the designs are kind of all the same. The architecture is pretty similar. And then you'll notice as soon as we get into Toll Brothers, that's going to completely change. Because it's such a great location, a lot of people are buying them and completely renovating them to be more modern. And now we're getting into the Toll Brothers side of it. You can see the architecture is completely different. It's more modern on this side. There's only about 23 lots in here that are Toll Brothers built. The average pricing for these homes is $850 to over $1 million. They're a lot larger lots too, 8,000 to 10,000 square feet lots. Most have pools, 3 to 5 bedroom, and then 2.5 to 4.5 bathrooms. The square footage is a little bit larger at 2,700 all the way up to 4,600. As you can see from the driving tour, Avian Meadows has a lot of nice amenities. It is a quiet neighborhood, as it is with walking distance to Ryan Elementary, Citrus Vista Park, and Arizona College Prep High School. If you'd like more information on buying and selling in Avian Meadows, please contact me. My website is below, and I'll see you at the next neighborhood.